Hello and thank you for watching. Today we have a how to install video for the Empava non-electric bidet toilet seat. That's model EB030. First, let's take a look at what's included here in the shipping. We have laid out here before us, starting from the left, the toilet seat. Also include a template for mounting, a mounting bracket, two T-valves, as well as a bag of the bolts, nuts, washers, and end caps, and the flexible hose that will attach from the T-valve to the bidet toilet seat itself. Next, we have the tools that we're going to be using to complete the installation. We have the screwdriver here on the right, wrench on the left, and the instruction manual that's included with as well. First off, we're going to want to uninstall our old toilet seat and bidet. Removing the toilet seat, now we just have to remove the bidet. All right, once you get that removed, you'll want to go ahead and clean it up a bit and get ready for the next part, which is installing the nuts here. Plastic nuts slide right in. Next, you'll want to grab your template. Go ahead and line it up approximately how you would like it. Make sure it's even, fit how you want it. Pop on your bracket there. And then just go ahead and make some adjustments and get an idea for where you'd like your toilet seat. Hanging off the front, hanging off the sides, etc., etc. And once you're ready for that, go ahead and drop your washers down and start threading your bolts in. You want to make sure that this bracket is nice and secure to the base of the toilet seat. That way it doesn't slip around, slide, anything like that. Also included are some end caps, screw right underneath. Here you'll see the mounting strip. I'm going to go right in that slot there on the bracket. Just slides in, it'll be a quick pop. Go ahead and turn your water off. Empty your tank. Flush the toilet a few times. Make sure it's not filling back up. All the water is out. And then what you're going to want to do is unscrew the flexible hose from the wall or ground up to the tank and install your T-valve. It is a plastic T-valve, so you want to hand tighten that. Hand tighten for plastic, wrench tighten for metal. Once that's on there, you can go ahead and reattach your flexible hose from the wall, as well as the flexible hose that goes to the toilet seat bidet. Once all your connections are tight, you can go ahead and turn your water back on, check for leaks, let your commode or tank fill back up, and just keep an eye on it. Make sure everything is tip-top shape, and you're all set. Enjoy your new bidet. If you liked what you saw here today, found it informative, drop a like, a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.